TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. Last Friday, when we were doing our show, we talked about this pattern right up here at 47,300. The high was, 47,302 or 330. And now you can just see we just hit the 61% retracement, A, B equals CD right here, right now. So if it doesn't stop here, it's going to go a lot lower. Now, remember, the NASDAQ made its high last night, and so did the S&P. And yet, look at this. This is making a low. You see how the weaker is coming down? It's got to stay right here, because if it goes below here, this is going to mean that we can take out this October low. And if we do that, boy, that's going to be pretty tough to think about, wouldn't you think? But this, you should bounce off here. It's a major number. It's ABCD right at the 618. We just hit it just now. So if it's any good, it should hold it. To start going below it, and let's just put a limit minder in, because we need to get about 50 points lower, and that would tell us, trouble in River City. So we want to watch this very, very closely. Now, those of you that have anything in your mind that thinks ABCs are not valuable, I really want you to stay tuned for the second part of this show, what comes up. And then at the break, at the half-hour break, we're going to have the Wolfman. Shane Smolian will be talking to us about some of the cycles that he's watching. You don't want to miss that either. But the fact that we've been going down now since the 3rd of October, but the NASDAQ made a new high last night, and so did the S&P. Of course, they're coming down a little bit this morning, but that's what we're watching. But the main thing is to stay tuned for the next part of this, because I think if you've ever had any doubts about ABCDs, and they don't work all the time, but boy, they can really be valuable. And when you add to it that little flavor that we use called the 382, it can be really favorable. So we're going to look at that here this morning when we get finished with our break here. And hopefully we've got to take a look at a few stocks that people have asked us about, but we will have Shane at the break, and we'll have some fun. All right, so let's stay tuned here. Let's see how much time we got left on the old clock here, and make sure I didn't mess up like I usually do. Al loves me though, so that's the most important thing. And now my mouse is not working. Oh, no. There.
In the world of trading, only a few names stand out like Larry Pesavento, a pro's